Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two basics. Your Apple Watch runs watchOS 8 or later, and you have an active Apple Music subscription. Once done, free up roughly 8 GB for playlist downloads, make space in settings. Next, pair Bluetooth headphones to the watch directly, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and follow pairing prompts. This removes the phone dependency. You're preparing the watch to act as the standalone player. Make sure Apple ID is the same used for Apple Music, because you now move music to the device itself. If you have the phone nearby, open the Watch app on iPhone, go to Music, then add music to queue albums or playlists for sync. If not, use the Music app on the watch to browse Apple Music and add content. Once added, enable automatic downloads or manually tap the three-dot menu and choose Download. The watch will transfer tracks over Wi-Fi or the paired iPhone if nearby. Monitor progress in Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Usage. You're ready to play music without your phone. Open Music, choose Downloads or a synced playlist, then hit play. The watch streams to connected headphones. If you have a cellular model, you can stream directly over data when downloads aren't available. If something fails, restart your watch, repair Bluetooth headphones, and verify the same Apple ID is signed into Apple Music. If syncing stalls, toggle airplane mode off/on and retry the download. This often resolves Wi-Fi or Bluetooth hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.